Hi, first graders. My name is Miss R. If you don't know me, I am one of the first grade teachers at Lafayette Street School, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the science work that's due today, okay? So this is the page I'm on. It's page 15 for day 8, which is today. Okay, and I'm going to read to you what it says, and I'm going to show you how I would complete this work. And this is actually a lot of fun because it's kind of like doing an experiment, and it's something we already learned about. So this is more of a review for us. Okay, so on the top of the page it says, you will observe or notice the vibrations of your voice. And remember when we learned that all sounds come from vibrations? So as I'm talking right now and I'm touching my throat, I'm feeling the vibrations from my throat. Okay, remember when we learned about that? So that's what we're going to be doing today. Here is where we are making a prediction. Remember, a prediction is when we guess, when we use our schema, when we use what's in our brains to guess what will happen when we do something. So we have to make a prediction. And here's the question. It says, how will the vibrations of your throat change when you make different sounds with your voice? So think about the different sounds you can make with your voice, right? You can lower the volume and make it more of a whisper, right? Or we can raise the volume up high and we can yell and scream and shout, right? So those are two examples of different sounds that we can make with our voice. But they want to know, well, how is the vibration going to change when we're making those different sounds? Okay, so I already wrote my prediction, and I'm going to read it to you. My prediction. The vibrations will be stronger when I shout and weaker when I whisper. Because I think that when my voice is really soft, like a whisper, that the vibrations are kind of weak. That means I can't feel them as much. But when I raise my volume in my voice, I think that the vibrations are going to be stronger. That is my prediction. So that is what I would write right here. Okay? Now, after you write your prediction, maybe your prediction is different. Maybe you think something different will happen when you change your voice in different ways. But you have to write what you predict will happen, okay? And now down here, it tells us how to carry out our investigation. Number 1 says to think of different ways you can use your voice to make sound. So that's what you're going to do after you write your prediction. Think of different ways you can use your voice to make sound. Okay? Number 2, place your hand on your throat and describe what you feel when you use your voice in different ways. And you're going to describe what you feel on the next page, the second page for day 8 for today. Okay? So on this side, it says what you're going to do with your voice. The first one says not talking. So what you have to do is take your hand, put it on your throat, don't talk, and you're going to write what you feel. Let's try this one together. Excuse me. Okay, not talking. Here I go. I feel nothing. I feel absolutely nothing because I'm not making any sounds with my voice. So what am I feeling? Nothing. So that's what I'm going to write. Nothing is no and then thing put together. I have to make sure I write nice and neat. Not talking. What do I feel? Nothing. Let's do the next one together. This one says talking. Okay. Hi, boys and girls. Today is Wednesday. I hope you're having a nice day. I think it's supposed to be a rainy day today. Okay, I was just talking, right? What did I feel? I felt vibration. I felt just regular vibration. It wasn't super strong, not super weak, just vibration. So that's what I'm going to write about what I feel when I'm talking. I feel vibration. Okay. If you're having a hard time spelling some words, check the page because as you see, the word vibration is right here on your page. Okay? All right. So I wrote vibration. And you're going to do the same thing, okay? You're going to see what it feels like when you're whispering. What do you feel when you're whispering? Maybe your vibrations are weaker, maybe they're stronger, but you have to write it here, okay? Here it says shouting. Oh boy. Make sure nobody's on the phone in your house before you do that one, okay? So when you're gonna shout, you're gonna feel, and then you're gonna write what kind of vibration you felt. Was it a stronger vibration or a weaker vibration? And finally, laughing. What do you feel when you touch your throat and you start laughing? Maybe somebody near you, one of your family members or your sibling or something can make you laugh. So you can feel what it feels like. And then you're going to write what that vibration was like right here. Okay, and make sure you take a picture of this work and send it to your teacher today. Okay, I hope that helped you guys understand the science assignment for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or your teacher. And I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye, first graders.